like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the focus video. We had a lot of fun doing the video, and hopefully maybe we'll do some more of those in the future. I'm not sure. It took a little while to do it, probably 2 or 3 weeks of working on it. But yeah, the focus here, I was really impressed with the way it ran and the way it took all the bumps and driving it through the fields and all that, and getting chased by dogs. I mean, the area we live in, it's really rural, and there's a lot of back roads and some areas you don't even want to go. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. My wife helped out a lot with doing some filming. Most of it was done on our property. Just the one part where we went on the road was the only part that wasn't on our property. Everything else was just around our area here. So
yeah, that's not our dog that was chasing the car.
That's definitely not our dog. That was, I got trapped on the end of a dead end, and this dog came out of nowhere and just started chasing me. So it was pretty cool that it got caught on video, but
I enjoyed it.
yeah, that was my wife's favorite part.
Yeah.
Her favorite part definitely wasn't losing to me though on her little tractor. She definitely needs to put some work in on that thing.
Yeah, definitely.
What's your plans for it?
I don't know. How do you soup it up? Soup it up for me. Like...
We got nitrous.
Okay.
You want to put nitrous on your tractor?
Can I do that?
You could do that for sure. I mean, you may make one run and that's it.
Oh,
but
okay.
Anyway, yeah, so like I don't know if I said it already, but I probably won't be doing any more with the Focus. I really want to kind of get this thing back on the road. I mean, it runs so good. Everything works on it. Like the AC works, all the buttons work in there, and everything works on it. So I kind of want to get some new tires, finish up the paint work. I just got the rest of the paint in I need to do the roof. You can see the hood's already done. I'm just gonna sand and buff it out. That's the only thing I have to do on that, and then paint the roof. But other than that, I kind of want to just make it so that I can drive it around.
Yeah, it's a cool little car.
It's a cool little car. I mean,
drive.
Yeah, and I never thought that these were as fast as they are. I mean, for what it is, a little 4-cylinder. I mean, this thing was ripping around here pretty quickly, and I don't know, the suspension was taking everything that I was given to it. So. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And so anyway, the next video probably will be on the black car. That I haven't worked on in quite a while. We got the tube front end done on it, but I kind of just stopped working on it once I bought this Focus because I had a lot to do on that. Yeah, it'll probably be a couple days before I put that video out. It's just going to be some work on that. I'm probably going to be prepping it for a roll cage because the white car, I'm probably not going to do a roll cage in that. In my opinion, the car is just too nice, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
To actually start welding and cutting on it.
Yeah.
The black car is more of a better candidate for like a race car because it's been in an accident. It's already got the tube front end, so that's going to be much easier to do a roll cage and make that one fast. And the white car, I kind of want to make it more into a street car again, so we can take it to like car shows and maybe put a bigger fuel cell in it, because right now it's only got a 5-gallon and I'd be lucky to make it 15 miles. So, but anyway, like I said before, hope you guys enjoyed it.
Like, share, and subscribe.
My wife's getting good at this. All right, guys, we'll see y'all later.
Bye.